Hello and welcome to StoryShop. I'm Savvy and I'm here to help you get started. Once you log in, go ahead and click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of your dashboard. You can select a blank template, which is just like it says, a blank space where you can go in and start writing, or a beat template, which gives the basic story structure for various story types and tips and tricks in the sidebar while you're writing. Once you select what kind of story you want, go ahead and select the world it belongs in, the series, and hit Let's Roll. We're going to go ahead and hop into one of the stories we've pre-filled with content. Now that we're in the writer, you can personalize your writing zone by clicking on the little gear at the top of the screen. You can adjust your font, your size, whether you have indents or not, line spacing, and hit save. If you want to go one step further, you can hop back into that little gear and change your background. Now that we've got our writing zone set up, we're going to go ahead and click on the beats bar. This is where you can do your story plotting. You'll see your chapters and your scenes all on the side there, and in each one you're going to see a short summary of information. So that's where you'll want to put anything you want at a quick glance while you're writing. Go ahead and enter into expanded beats mode. And again, there's that little pulse right in the middle of your bar. If you click on the plus sign, it expands out each of the scenes within that chapter. You can drag and drop to move them. It'll automatically renumber. At the top, you can view additional information by clicking on that little button there, and that allows you to see all of the plotting and story building you've done. You can do that for individual cards there on the side by pushing on the same little button. You can pull out your notes, and this allows you to leave notes for yourself while you're writing, either from expanded beats mode or from the beats bar on the side of your writing screen. You can also leave notes there for your collaborators. If you want access to the full summary while you're writing, you can open it up as a separate window and have that off to the side. You can also insert, clone, or delete scenes right here. At the top, in the book bar, you're going to see a word count. Oh, and you can also adjust your font and your font size. It will only change what you're seeing in your beats mode, not what you see in the writer. At the top of the book bar, you're going to see a word count. That's for your entire story. Now, on each chapter and on each scene, you're going to also get the word count for that chapter or that scene. All right, we're going to head back into the writer and go over to the other side of the screen where you've got the little world icon. This is your world bar where you can do your world building. We have 36 different categories you can choose from. You can see the categories we have loaded up already. So select the ones that you want, hit save, and click on them, and click on the little plus sign to add a card to that category. If you create a card in the wrong category, you can drag and drop it to a new one or drag it to the trash can to delete. You can also drag beats from the beats bar into the trash can to delete them. This is permanent, so make sure you're sure before you hit yes. Now on each card itself, you can personalize the data fields available by clicking on the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner. All right, go ahead and hit save. We've got images that you can add. Relationships are really cool. You can, once you put them in on one card, they'll auto-populate on the others. Character DNA helps you get to know your character better. And availability is an easy way to tell collaborators whether they can also utilize the character or not. Appearances will auto-populate from anywhere the character is mentioned in the book. All right, let's head back to the dashboard. And this is where you can click on the little three dots in the upper right-hand corner and add your own cover image. You can change what world or series a story is in. You can add a tagline, a summary, and delete the book. Again, this is permanent, so make sure you're certain before you hit delete. If you switch views to all worlds, you can do the same thing. Click on the little three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to be able to add a cover, a tagline, a summary, and manage your collaborators. Hit save. And that's StoryShop. Enjoy it. If you have any questions or want to know more about any individual features, check out our other videos. Thanks. Bye.